Inflation has been a major concern for retirees, especially for those who have saved up over the years in traditional assets like stocks and bonds. But what if I told you there's a way to protect your wealth, grow your savings, and even beat inflation with one simple tool? That's where gold IRAs come in. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use gold IRAs to protect your wealth and potentially profit, even when inflation is threatening your retirement funds. If you've been watching inflation eat away at your savings, you're not alone. Many retirees are realizing that relying solely on traditional investments like stocks or even real estate might not be enough to outpace the rising cost of living. When inflation strikes, the value of the dollar decreases and the purchasing power of your retirement funds can shrink fast. But gold, historically, has acted as a hedge against inflation. The beauty of gold IRAs is that they allow you to invest in physical gold while enjoying the tax benefits of a traditional or Roth IRA. Now, if you're wondering how this works, here's the key. Gold holds its value better than paper assets over time. Unlike stocks, which can fluctuate dramatically due to market forces, gold tends to rise in value during times of economic uncertainty. Think about it. When the dollar weakens, gold strengthens. So by shifting a portion of your retirement savings into gold through a gold IRA, you're diversifying your portfolio in a way that's been proven over centuries. You may be wondering, why not just buy physical gold on your own? The issue with that is you lose the tax benefits. If you buy physical gold and hold it outside of an IRA, you could be hit with taxes when you sell, eating into any potential gains. But when you invest in gold through an IRA, you're able to enjoy the tax-deferred growth that an IRA offers, meaning you don't pay taxes until you begin withdrawing funds in retirement. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, you should definitely check out the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans have already discovered how to protect their savings with a gold IRA, and now it's your turn to learn exactly how to do the same. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started, from choosing the best gold IRA company to understanding the exact steps for setting up your account. But here's the thing. If you're serious about preserving your wealth, you don't want to wait until the next economic crisis hits. The longer you wait, the more you risk seeing your savings lose value. A gold IRA isn't just about holding gold, it's about securing your future and fighting inflation head on. The good news is that it's easier than you might think to get started, especially if you have $100K or more in an IRA or 401K. And if you have $5 million or more in savings, this could be one of the most effective ways to safeguard your wealth. To give you a clearer picture, while traditional stocks and bonds can be volatile, especially in inflationary environments, gold is much less likely to suffer the same risks. For example, in 2008, while the stock market crashed, gold soared. By investing in a gold IRA, you're not only protecting your retirement account against the eroding value of the dollar, but you're positioning yourself to potentially profit as well. To sum it up, using gold IRAs to beat inflation isn't just a strategy. It's a necessity for anyone who's serious about securing their financial future. If you're an American retiree with $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even if you've got $5 million or more in savings, a gold IRA can be the safeguard you need to ensure your wealth remains intact, no matter what the economy throws your way. If you want to get started, don't wait another minute. Click the first link in the description to grab your free gold IRA guide. It's the best step you can take right now to protect your hard-earned wealth from inflation, and it's tailored specifically for retirees like you. Make the smart move today and ensure that your retirement savings are working for you, no matter what the future holds.